Check out this is 2011 Honda CR-V XL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: ABS, power steering, variable speed intermittent wipers, leather seats, engine immobilizer, power windows, multi-zone AC, automatic headlights, and passenger airbag sensor. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.